At Profit Minds, we have AI training and consulting services to help you utilize AI to grow your business. Most knowledge workers say today that they're actually using AI, but most of them use it just like an elaborate Google search where they type something in and they wait for a response. Or maybe they use it to create some marketing materials. But there's so much more you can do with it. So if you're interested in training, we can provide that. If you would like us to help you build tools in AI, we can do that. Or to do research for you, some consulting. All of those things are available from us here at Profit Minds. We'd love to have a conversation. Click the button below to find out more.